Okay, here's another word problem. A little sip of Mountain Dew there. Okay. A wine company needs to blend a California wine of 5% alcohol with a French wine of 9% to drunks to make 200 gallons of a mixed wine of 7% alcohol. How many gallons of each wine must be used? Okay. If you haven't noticed, this is just like our interest problems, really. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to look at, and what I see there is here's our final requirement right here. 200 gallons. I'm just going to write it out here. 200 gallons of 7% alcohol mixed. Okay? That's what I need. But to do that, it looks like I'm going to need X gallons of Cali wine at 5%. And I'm going to need Y gallons of French wine at 9% alcohol. Okay, so that's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to take X gallon of 5% wine plus Y gallons of 9% wine, and I'm going to get 200 gallons of 7% wine. So let's just build an equation out of this. So let's see here. This is everything we need to know right here. So X gallons of 5% wine. Okay. That's 0.05x plus 0.09y equals 0.07 times 200. I hope I got that in there. Okay. 0.07 times 200 is 14. Okay? So this is actually going to be equal to 14 gallons. Okay. Well, let's see here. What was my total gallon concentrate? Or not, my total amount was 200 gallons. So whatever amount of Cali wine I put in there, and whatever amount of French wine I end up putting in here, they better equal up to 200 gallons, shouldn't they? So on a little side note over here, we know that X plus Y is going to equal 200. It's going to equal 200 gallons, isn't it? Okay? And I need to kind of zoom out. I keep running out of the stuff there. Okay, so we got that. So if we want to, let's see. I think last video I used X. I'm gonna subtract Y this time, just to show you that it doesn't matter. X equals 200 gallons minus Y. So I'm just gonna take that. I'm gonna plug it into here. Here's X. X is equal to 200 minus Y. I'm just gonna plug it into there. So 0.05 X, which is nothing more than 200 gallons minus Y, plus 0.09 Y equals 14. Okay, time to get the calculator out. Okay, this, remember, I'm just going to distribute here. I'm just going to take this 0.05 and I'm just going to distribute it. Okay. And this comes to 10 minus 0.05y plus 0.09y equals 14. Okay. And here's my like terms right here. So it looks like I'm going to have 10 plus, what is this, 0.4 0.04y equals 14. Oh, and I ran out of paper. Okay, so there's that. I subtract 10 from both sides. That gives me equals 4. Let's see, so I divide both sides by 0.04, and these guys cancel out. That leaves me with just the y. Y equals 4. Without a calculator, this is kind of easy to do because this is tens, this is hundreds, so this is 4 out of 100. And anytime you have one of these, just a quick little algebra rule, anytime you have this situation going, you just flip this, and then you stick it back up on top. So y will actually be equal to 4 times 100 over 4. You see how I did that? Actually, that might look a little better. And we can cancel those out, and y will equal 100. And remember, y was the gallons of French wine we needed. So y is going to be equal to 100 gallons of French wine. Okay, and our total was 200, so we're also going to need 100 gallons of Cali wine to make this work. Okay, so that is that problem, and I think we did pretty good. I went through that one pretty fast. I went through some of the earlier ones. I actually used 2 videos to go through, but you know, that's pretty much what we ended up with. Next question is, how drunk will you get off a gallon of French wine compared to a gallon of Cali wine? I don't think we want to do. We'd rather do that one experimentally, wouldn't we? Okay. All right. Well, see you in the next video.